Hello and welcome. I'm Lewis Bullock for Sharjah Broadcasting Authority, Sharjah TV Channel 2, and I'm here at Sharjah Expo getting ready for IGCF 2023 in its 12th edition, and this year it's themed as Today's Resources, Tomorrow's Wealth. And it's in its 12th edition, as I mentioned, and we've seen over the last 12 years more than 50,000 people attending. And the focus here at the Communication Forum is that they bring together specialists from all over the world, politicians, government officials, well-known authors who all come and share important strategies, important advice and discussions on things that are suitable and relevant to the Government Communication Forum. And as we know, Sharjah and His Highness Dr. Sheikh Sultan bin Mohammed Al Qasimi, the ruler of Sharjah, which under his patronage this event is held, always focuses on bringing to the highlight or highlighting and being the pioneers of everything that is related to communication, education and culture. And of course, as always, when anything is held at Expo, you'll find it is very well organized, great to attend. In fact, anyone who's ever attended anything at Expo is always amazed by the organization, the ample parking and the facilities, and it's always a very enjoyable event. And this event, in fact, is no different. So I recommend you all to come down and join on the 13th and 14th of September at IGCF 2023. And of course, to register to attend, you must not turn up on the day, you must go to igcc.ae to register to attend this amazing event.
The 12th edition of the International Government Communication Forum, IGCF, themed Today's Resources, Tomorrow's Wealth, is gearing up to stage powerful stories of transformation and change from Gambia, Madagascar and other parts of the world on September 13th to 14th in Expo Centre Sharjah. The stories will be told by leaders of these incredible movements who have steered their nations on mindful paths of sustainability, green practices and conserving Earth's bountiful resources. In her inspirational talk, Malagasy Yolanda will unveil her journey in mastering solar energy systems and empowering illiterate women in her small village in Madagascar to install and maintain these systems, proving that literacy should never hinder one's desire to serve society and the world at large. Her message resounds: societies must embrace their potential and determination pave the path to success. Another inspirational talk by Isauto Sisi, the recycling queen and the initiator of the One Plastic Bag, will reveal a groundbreaking tale of creative sustainability and innovative wealth building. By teaching Gambian women to recycle plastic waste into profitable products, the Gambian activist and social entrepreneur showcases the remarkable potential to turn resources into societal prosperity and meaningful livelihoods. With his expertise spanning several continents as a partner at Gallup and Public Sector Executive Director for Europe, Middle East and Africa, Councillor Andrew Rizipa will bring unparalleled insight into water and food security. His distinguished role in designing international indicators, notably the Food Security and No Hunger, underscores his data-driven approach. Leading teams in collaboration with governments and international organizations, his talk will emphasize leveraging data and indicators for effective resource allocation and addressing global challenges in water and food security. They will also host renowned American judge Frank Caprio, former Chief Judge of the Municipal Court of Providence in the USA, as well as Robin Sharma, a Canadian-Indian author and the Chief Executive Officer of Sharma Leadership International, which is widely regarded as one of the world's foremost authorities on leadership and self-mastery. There will be 4 seminars at IGCF 2023 highlighting key challenges of the era. The Sustainability Seminar, organized by IGCF in cooperation with COP28, the UAE Ministry of Climate Change and Environment, and it will highlight sustainability challenges and opportunities. Elif Education and Arab Youth Center will organize the Arabic Language Seminar to advance the role of Arabic language in government communication. There'll be a Cyber Security Seminar which will be organized by the UAE Cyber Security Council, and the World Media Seminar which will be led by the Emirates News Agency WAM. Just some of the action-packed, vital, important topics and workshops, seminars, etc. that will be held this year at IGCF 2023.
So you've heard about all the great activities, events, seminars and workshops that will be going on here in IGCF 2023. Things that we discuss such as the environment, poverty, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, all things that are very vital to today's modern world will be addressed, discussed, solutions, problems, implementations will all be discussed at this amazing event. I hope to see you all there at IGCF 2023.